Welcome back to the Career Compass tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you the final steps for data collection and how to manage the participants of your study inside the web portal. We will overview 3 pages: the study homepage, the emails page, and the participants page. We will be focusing on the final steps for data collection and participants in this video. Start at your study dashboard and open your study. You are now at the study homepage. On the study homepage, you can find a preview URL for the researcher to preview and test an intervention, and the URL for participants to participate in the study. After the participants click on the link, they are immediately taken to your intervention. The study details page shows when your study starts and when it will end. If your study includes feedback, make sure you have selected Use feedback site for reporting results and indicate when you want to send out a feedback report to the participants. That is, how soon after they filled in the Career Compass should they receive an email with a link to their feedback. Click on Update Study. The Email tab will allow you to draft template emails for your participants. These emails are used to send a link to the participants where they can view their personalized feedback. On the emails page, you can give your email a subject, and you can indicate the text that shows up before the feedback link in the box called Email Intro Text, and the text after the feedback link in the box called Email Outro Text. Click on Save. Go to the Participants page. Here you can see the participants that took part in your study. Participants are indicated by the email address they completed in the intervention. If they did not complete an email address, they will be indicated as anonymous user. If you have multiple interventions, this page shows you which intervention the participant participated in. This only works if the participant completed the same email address in every intervention. These participants will also receive the same ID number in every intervention within the study. Note that the participant email address will not appear in the metrics downloaded data and is replaced with an anonymous ID number. Participants are thus anonymous to the researcher. If you click on the Enable Deletion button, you will be able to delete individual participants from the data. In this video, we showed you how to manage participants of your study through the study homepage, the emails page, and the participants page. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.